The next skill that I emphasize with my first year is also how to create a GUI for your algorithms. Again, most classes, most schools aren't going to require you to do that. You're done when the model gives the right answer. But ultimately, users want to interact with your model. They want to get answers. They want to input new data. They want the model to create new predictions, or maybe they want the model to send them a report, generate an email, something that gives interaction between your end users, your business stakeholders, and your model. Having the skills to create those GUIs and create those interfaces is very valuable. So, to kind of close out the chain, you would practice your model development, practice putting an API layer on top of that model, and then practice creating a GUI that interfaces not with your model, but with your API layer.